If you're a beginner to SEO and you're constantly bombarded by emails and all this content on the internet about SEO and why you should try it, but you don't really know where to start, then this video is for you, because I'm going to take you through really quickly what SEO is, the 3 different elements, and how you can get started. So first of all, SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is the process of improving your website so you appear higher on search engines. And this is good because if we appear higher on search engines, we're going to get more clicks. Because just think about it, when was the last time that you went on page 2 of Google and of a search engine such as Bing, DuckDuckGo? It just doesn't happen. We want to make sure that our websites are as high up on page 1 as possible, and we do this through SEO, search engine optimization. Now, to break this down a little bit further, there is 3 areas of SEO that I would like you to remember. So first of all, we have keyword optimization. And keyword optimization is the process of adding content and improving content on our website so that we rank for keywords on search engines that our target customers or the target people that we want to visit our site actually get to our site. This is sort of broken into 2 parts. First of all, it's finding the keywords that you want to rank for, which is keyword research. And then there's keyword optimization, which is actually taking those keywords and improving your site so you rank for them. And this is usually in the form of adding blogs to your website, or even adding more copy, i.e. more words on existing web pages, to make sure that it's clear to Google what you want to rank for. And often we need to make it much clearer than you may think to Google what keywords you want to rank for, but that is keyword optimization. Then we have technical optimization. Now, technical optimization, even though it sounds, it's technical, even though it may sound a little bit scary, it isn't as scary as you think. Technical optimization is a process of making sure that your website loads fast and is easy for users and Google to navigate. Because if you don't tick the right technical boxes, if your website doesn't load fast, if you don't have the right piece of information filled in, how are users and Google going to properly go through your website and find what they need? It just isn't going to happen. So technical optimization is super important. The third and final area of SEO is called backlinks. And backlinks are links from other websites back to yours. And something important to know here is something called anchor text. Anchor text is the hyperlinked text on that other website that is linked back to yours. And that's important to remember, because if we can get that anchor text to be the keywords that we want to rank for, then that is an indicator to Google that it should rank us for those keywords. So those are the 3 areas. We have keyword optimization, technical optimization, and backlinks. And the car analogy that I always use is, if we treat SEO like a car, i.e. it is the vehicle that allows us to get to our final destination, which is page 1 of Google, then technical optimization is tweaking the engine of our car, making sure that everything is in place, making sure all the parts are functioning as they should. Keyword optimization is then the route that we go through. It's the keywords that we want to be found for on Google. So it's a little bit like mapping your way in order to get to the ultimate destination, which is appearing page 1 and ideally position 1 for what your target customers search. And the third thing is backlinks. I say that this is the fuel to your car. If you're not appearing on search results, while I have other videos which can help you diagnose these exact issues, one typical error that I see is not having backlinks. Because if you don't have fuel in your car, then how is that car going to get to the final destination? And backlinks improve something called domain authority, which is basically a score that Google gives your website to see how much of an authority it is in your space. If you have no authority, you're less likely to rank for more competitive keywords. So make sure you've got fuel, make sure your engine's fine-tuned, and make sure that the route that you choose is actually going to get you to your final destination. Now, one thing that I always recommend for people just getting started is just to start blogging. Start to do some basic keyword research. I recommend checking out a tool called Keywords Everywhere, or my own tool, SEO Space, which is an SEO plugin for Squarespace, in order to help you here. do some keyword research to find out what keywords you want to appear for, and then just write blogs to be optimized for those keywords. Now, if you have a Squarespace website, again, you can use SEO Space, the SEO plugin for Squarespace, which will tell you where to put those keywords. However, ChatGPT is also a fantastic tool to use here. And while I do not recommend that you put AI content on your website, if you ask ChatGPT to write you an article brief and outline for a keyword you want to rank for, then that's going to really help you get on your way and really allow you to get started with your SEO journey. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And if you'd like to continually improve your SEO, especially if you have a Squarespace website, then feel free to subscribe to this channel as I document growing my Squarespace SEO plugin and also share SEO tips for people like you as well as SaaS founders. So thanks a lot, guys. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video.